Basic of Indian economy and national income, economic growth and economic development. Question 1. With reference to the calculation of national income, which of the following statements are correct about cost and price in context of national income counting? 1. Factor cost is also known as the production cost as it is the input cost the producer has to incur in the process, whereas market cost is derived after adding the indirect taxes to the factor cost of the product. 2. Since January 2015, the CSO has switched over to calculate its national income at factor cost so that GST can be separately identified. 3. As per the recommendations of National Statistical Commission, NSC, base year was revised from 2004-05 to 2011-12. 4. Price at base year is current price and it reflects the impact of present-day inflation in it. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 4 only. D. 1, 3 and 4 only. Question 2. In context of comparing GDP and GVA, consider the following statements. 1. Gross value added, GVA, indicates the value added by various sectors at supply side, whereas GDP is arrived at by adding up all expenditures done in the economy, which indicates demand side. 2. While GDP is a good measure in comparative studies, comparing economies, GVA is a better measure to compare different sectors within the economy. Which of the above statement S's are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 3. Which of the following statements showing the relation between economic growth and economic development are incorrect? 1. Economic growth is a quantitative term, whereas economic development is a qualitative term. 2. Higher economic growth automatically brings in higher economic development. 3. GDP indicates the economic growth of an economy, whereas per capita income indicates economic development. Select the correct code among the following. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 4. Which of the following perfectly explains meaning of GDP of an economy? A. Gross domestic product, GDP, is the value of all final goods and services produced within the boundary of a nation during a one-year period, adding expenditures on imports not produced in the nation. B. Gross domestic product, GDP, is the value of all final goods and services produced within the boundary of a nation during a one-year period, removing expenditures of goods and services produced which are exported but not sold within the country. C. Gross domestic product, GDP, is the value of all final goods and services produced within the boundary of a nation during a one-year period in which government spending and trade balance are also added as one of the components. D. Gross domestic product, GDP, is the value of all final goods and services produced within the boundary of a nation during one-year period minus national private consumption. Question 5. Consider the following statements with respect to purchasing power parities, PPP, exchange rates. 1. It is the rate at which the currency of one country would have to be converted into that of another country to buy the same amount of goods and services in each country. 2. PPP exchange rates are more volatile than market exchange rates. 3. PPP exchange rates do not consider the different quality of goods among countries. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 6. Consider the following with reference to nominal effective exchange rate, NER 1. The nominal effective exchange rate, NER, is an unadjusted weighted average rate at which one country's currency exchanges for a basket of multiple foreign currencies. 2. The real effective exchange rate, RER, is the weighted average of a country's currency in relation to an index or basket of other major currencies, and it is adjusted for inflation. Which of the statements given above is are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 7. Consider the following statements regarding gross domestic product. 1. Gross domestic product, GDP, is that income or product which accrues to the economic agents who are residents of the country. 2. The income earned by the non-resident Indians, NRIs, will be a part of India's gross national product, GNP. Which of the statements given above is are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 8. Consider the following statements regarding net factor income from abroad with reference to Indian economy. 1. It is the difference between factor income received by the residents of India working abroad and the factor income paid to the foreign residents for working in India. 2. The net factor income from abroad is always positive and can never be negative. 3. Net compensation of employees and net income from property and entrepreneurship are the only two components of net factor income. Which of the statements given above is are correct? A. 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 9. Match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. List I, Revolution, List 2, Aim. A. Black Revolution 1. Related with all seed production. B. Silver Revolution 2. Related with egg production. C. Pink Revolution 3. Related with meat and poultry production. D. Yellow Revolution 4. Related with petroleum production. Select the correct code. A. A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. B. A 4, B 2, A C 3, D 1. C. A 3, B 1, A C 2, A D 4. D. A 2, A B 3, C 1, D 4.